What's going on, guys? Welcome back. If I didn't say it already, Happy New Year. I want to get a good start on 2022 with a BMW 3 Series. We got ourselves a 328i with the M Sport package. So let's check this one out. It's got some other good equipment too, such as heads-up display, heated steering wheel. It's got some goodies on here. But let's see what we're working with here. Ooh. Wow, the rear center console here is having a little bit of a hard time, but let's see how the front seat does. I'm liking this blue color too. I'm not sure what BMW calls this blue, but it is honestly looking pretty good. Look at this front end here. This is a sharp looking car, I'm not gonna lie. Even if the interior is crap, I'm not gonna say it doesn't look good. Yeah, we got M. Oh yeah. By the way, guys, I don't want to be too fanboyish here. This M steering wheel is probably my favorite M steering wheel. I don't like the newer ones, honestly, like the newest BMW models with the M Sport package or even a real M car. The newest stuff, don't like the steering wheel as much as these. Anyway, enough talk about that. Let's see how the interior does. Ooh. Ooh. Got a couple bad ones in here. That's solid. All right, let's do the button test. And now for the final button. In case you're curious, 81,000 miles. Oh yeah. Anyway, how did it do? I swear to God, this BMW is like a patient with a bad back, and I'm the chiropractor that just cracked the back. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that bad. For the most part, it was okay, but the couple of squeaks that were in here are pretty bad, honestly. Not quite Mercedes C-Class level of bad, but almost there. A little bit disappointing, because otherwise this is actually a pretty neat car. I know these 3 Series drive pretty nice. Again, not fanboying, even though I have the BMW logo as my freaking profile picture that says BQT. Not a BMW fanboy. I own a Cadillac, which the Cadillac model I own is actually this car's arch nemesis. So you guys can take that. I'm gonna give this interior a 5 out of 10 for fit and finish. 4 out of 10 would be for like a C-Class Mercedes, like a newer C-Class. Those are just awful. This car is not quite as bad, but almost there. So there we go, 5 out of 10 for, as far as materials go. We're not looking too bad, honestly. Do have soft touch in most of the important areas. I don't really like BMW soft touch as much as some other brands, but at least we got it. Like up here, it's a little bit on the harder end actually of soft touch, but it is still soft touch. I already told you that I love this steering wheel. Down here is it's hard plastic, but it's textured nicely. This is soft touch. This is also hard plastic that's nicely textured. I do like this kind of brushed metal look in these BMWs. I've seen it before in a few cars, but I've seen it get scratched very easily. Like this kind of metal finish here gets scratched quite easily. Unfortunately, we're not working with real leather. BMW's version of their man-made pleather. Better than cloth, I guess. It works. And then as far as the headliner, plastic sun visor. Cloth headliner, not the nicest cloth though, if I'm completely honest. I feel like they could have made it just look a little bit better, or feel better actually. Not bad, kind of like slightly above average interior. I would give it a 6 out of 10 for materials. So there you guys have it, 5 out of 10 for fit and finish, 6 out of 10 for materials. Let me know what you guys think. Also want to let you know I've had a couple comments lately saying that my videos are ridiculous and that this is a test that nobody cares about. You know what I think is ridiculous? Is that people pay $60,000 on a new car because they want to feel rich. They buy it because it's luxury, only to have a squeak fest. The funniest part is when they try to defend it all. I just try to look past all the nonsense. I mean, it's a car. That's a nice driving car, but what does your money really get you at the end of the day? That's where my channel comes into play. That's why these tests are not ridiculous to the very particular buyer. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna try to get out some more content this year. It's a little bit harder because of the cold right now. As you can see, it is 18 degrees outside Fahrenheit, but it's cold out. It's miserable. My skin gets dry, and yeah, I don't like to go outside very much, but I'm gonna try to make some more content. I know you guys been craving it. Anyway, I'll catch you next time. Peace.